Welcome to the opening night of the 2026 IPL season. Under the floodlights of the M. Chinnaswamy Stadium, two heavyweight factions, the Royal Challengers Bengaluru and the Sunrisers Hyderabad, are squaring off. RCB enters this tournament as the defending champions, but they carry a well-documented ghost into this arena. Despite holding the crown, their home turf has been their greatest liability, a place where their win rate drops and the pressure visibly mounts. Initially, the champions looked like they had a handle on the situation. Jacob Dere opened the bowling attack with clinical precision, dismantling the Sunrisers' top order to secure 3 rapid wickets right out of the gate. But Hyderabad didn't retreat. Instead of stabilizing the innings and protecting their remaining batsmen, they pivoted to brute force power hitting. This chart plots the Sunrisers' run rate over time. Normally, losing 3 quick wickets forces a team's run rate to drop as they play defensively. Here, the line does the opposite. Every time a wicket falls on the x-axis, the scoring rate climbs. This aggression peaked on the final delivery, capping off the surge to land on exactly 200 runs. That final sprint locked in the math for the rest of the night. To win their home opener, RCB would need to chase down a target of 202 runs. By hanging 200 runs on the board after a top-order collapse, Hyderabad weaponized the stadium itself. They turned a standard run chase into an immediate psychological stress test for a home team already questioning its own turf. When RCB steps out for the second innings, the gravity of a 202-run target alters how the game is played. The required run rate becomes a ticking clock, forcing the batters to swing aggressively from the first ball to keep pace. You can see the physical symptoms of that scoreboard pressure. The early overs are messy, filled with thick inside edges, awkward splices, and mistimed swings. That panic spills over into their running between the wickets. The batters are frantic, misjudging easy singles and narrowly avoiding full-speed collisions in the middle of the pitch. While Hyderabad's power hitters swung freely earlier in the evening, RCB's batters are gripping the bat too tightly. The target is disrupting their muscle memory, causing them to lose the clean point of contact they rely on for their baseline mechanics. The momentum shifts when veteran Virat Kohli arrives at the crease. He steps into the chaos and assumes the role of the innings anchor. Kohli tightens his mechanics. He relies on precise wrist work, deliberately steering the ball through the offside to pierce the fielding gaps rather than swinging for the stadium roof. His control over the placement of the ball treats a 200-run chase as a problem of calculated geometry, systematically mitigating risk while keeping the scoreboard ticking. Kohli's methodical approach yields a half-century. That 50-run milestone drains the tension from the stadium and solidifies his foundation. With the anchor in place, RCB's deep batting order operates without fear. They build on Kohli's pacing, systematically picking apart the Sunrisers' bowling attack over by over. By the final overs, the pressure has reversed. Desperation sets into Hyderabad's defense as the fielders scramble under swirling balls, misjudging difficult catches in the deep. The math finally catches up with the visitors. RCB passes the 202-run target, securing the opening night victory with 6 wickets to spare. This sequence illustrates how methodical pacing and veteran composure dismantle early scoreboard panic and brute force setups. This opening win provides the first piece of data for the 2026 season's most persistent question. To understand the impact, we must look back at the glaring flaw in the defending champions' profile, their previous inability to win at the Chinnaswamy.
This bar chart breaks down their record from last year. On the road, their win percentage was high, dominating opponents in hostile territory. But at home, the bar drops, highlighting a statistical vulnerability that other franchises plan to exploit. Absorbing a 200-run barrage and executing a composed chase provides the first piece of evidence that RCB can perform under pressure at their home ground. By securing a win at home on opening night, the defending champions have established a new baseline for their 2026 campaign, signaling that their home ground vulnerability is no longer a safe bet for their opponents.